Alright, welcome back to Chip Wynn Classics. We got another one for you today. This is a 1958 BMW Isetta. First came out in 1955. It's a single cylinder motor. And this was the first mass-produced car to ever get 74 miles per gallon. Same engine as motorcycle. Fully restored, frame-off restoration. It is still a feat to do that, even though it is so small. All right, let me show you something you can actually fit in this. I'm 5'11", just so you know. Got the sunroof here, so if you're a little bit taller, got a place to look out. Come on in, check it out. It's a 4-speed car, got emergency brake down here. Fires right up.